Want to save time and look like an Excel pro? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to combine columns and generate email addresses step by step using real-world data. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button so you don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. Let's say you manage a team and you've got a list of employee names in Excel. Your job is to create professional email addresses for each team member based on their first and last names. Click on cell C2. This is where the email address will be generated. Now type this formula. Start with an equal sign, then type lower. This function converts everything inside it to lowercase. Select cell A2, that's the first name. Then add an ampersand, which Excel uses to join or concatenate different pieces of text. Next, type a dot inside double quotes. Since it's inside quotes, Excel knows to treat it as plain text. Now add another ampersand and select cell B2, that's the last name. Again, add an ampersand, and now type your domain inside double quotes. You can replace this with your actual business domain. Press Enter. That's it. Excel combines the first and last name, adds a dot in between, appends your domain, and turns the whole thing into a lowercase email like this, all in one step. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other rows. And just like that, you've got emails for your entire team. Want to remove the formula and keep only the email text? Just copy the entire column. Right-click and select Paste Values. Now the emails are plain text and ready to go. If this tip saved you time, give it a thumbs up and share it with a colleague. And don't forget to subscribe for more Excel power tricks, only here on Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.